Minister, the details in today's Women Aid report are deeply disturbing, but they are not surprising. We know that domestic and gender-based violence is insidious. It thrives in silence, in shame and in the shadows, but it is everywhere, in every parish, every institution and every workplace. Last year, over 41,000 women contacted Women Aid. This scale is staggering, but it is only the surface. 1 in 3 women will experience physical, psychological or sexual abuse by a partner or an ex-partner. That's nearly 900,000 women affected by this violence in this country right now. Minister, this didn't happen by accident. We've allowed this violence to grow, and I'm fearful about where it is headed. Because we are now living in a culture where perpetrators of abuse are not only tolerated, they are celebrated. They are the President of the United States, sports stars and multi-million-euro contracts. They are influencers poisoning our young men with misogyny packaged as self-help. This network of anti-women communities online, full of grifters, abusers and con men, is flooding social media with hate. And as a state, we are doing almost nothing to stop it.